It's day 4 of building a marketing system for home service businesses. And today we're focusing on one thing that keeps everything running smoothly: consistency. The truth is, no matter how great your strategies are, if you're not consistent, nothing is gonna work out. But here's the good news. When you have the right tools, systems, and processes in place, staying consistent becomes a piece of cake. And here's how we're building consistency into the system. Number 1, daily action plan. A clear and repeatable roadmap on what to do every single day. Number 2, content planning. This involves setting up a rhythm for posting and engaging with your target audience. Number 3, and the most important one, is tracking your progress. This involves using simple tools like Google Sheet to help you with tracking so that you can stay motivated and focused on the right actions. If you want to build consistency into your marketing and see how this system can save you time while growing your business, click the link below to join my private group where I'm sharing detailed checklists and resources to make this easy and effective for you. Here's what's happening tomorrow. We're outlining the system's core structure, breaking it down step by step so that you can see how this all fits together. This is where it gets exciting. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.